For 2026, Honda takes its beloved light middleweight sport bike to a whole new level. This is the 2026 Honda CBR500R E-Clutch, a machine designed not just to be fast, frugal, and fun, but to be smarter, smoother, and more accessible than ever. From the moment it launched back in 2013, the CBR500R quickly became the dream upgrade for young riders around the world, delivering true sport bike energy without the intimidating learning curve or the expensive running costs. Over the years, it sharpened its design, enhanced its suspension, improved its braking, and adopted technology straight from Honda's bigger supersports. And now, for 2026, Honda gives this pocket rocket its most meaningful upgrade yet. At the heart of the new model is Honda's E-Clutch system, a breakthrough transmission technology originally seen on the CB650R and CBR650R. It allows riders to shift gears without ever touching the clutch lever. No matter your skill level, the bike simply adapts to you. Carving weekend corners feels more precise. Navigating weekday traffic feels effortless. And yet, riders still have the option to use the clutch manually whenever they want. Powering the experience is Honda's proven 471cc twin-cylinder engine, producing 35 kilowatts and 43 newton-meters of torque. A too-compliant, responsive, and unmistakably Honda in its smooth delivery. With the slipper clutch working alongside E-Clutch, downshifts stay stable, confident, and controlled. To keep the bike planted and precise, Honda equips it with Showa 41mm SFF-BP upside-down forks, a high-quality rear shock, and dual radial mount 4-piston front calipers. This suspension and braking package gives the CBR500R true big bike handling while staying light and approachable for new riders. And for 2026, design also takes a step forward. The bodywork draws heavy inspiration from the CBR1000RRR Fireblade, giving this small displacement sport bike a more aggressive and aerodynamic look. Honda's new stealth color option complements the iconic tricolor, sharpening the bike's presence even further. Inside the cockpit, the CBR500R packs modern tech, including a 5-inch TFT display, Honda RoadSync smartphone connectivity, a backlit 4-way switchgear system, and dual LED headlights for improved visibility. Honda selectable torque control remains standard, giving riders an extra layer of safety in wet or unpredictable conditions. The bike may be accessible, but it's engineered with precision and reliability riders expect from Honda. The 2026 CBR500R E-Clutch is a genuine evolution, keeping everything that has made the CBR500R a global favorite, while adding next-generation technology that improves riding enjoyment for everyone. Whether you're pushing hard on twisty roads or slicing through your daily commute, this is a sport bike that's both easy to live with and exciting to ride. This is Honda's light middleweight formula perfected. This is the 2026 Honda CBR500R E-Clutch.